Hi there, today I'm making a very simple and healthy dish, steamed eggs with prawn. Start off with 3 eggs. I want the steamed eggs to be light and smooth, so whisk the eggs well. Then add 300 ml water or chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can add seasoning. I use this mushroom powder. Half teaspoon seasoning, this is optional. Water is just fine. Half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Don't whisk too hard as the eggs will tend to puff up while steaming. I'm using an 8-inch plate. If you use a smaller size, it will take longer to steam. Use a sieve to remove air bubbles. Pre-boil the water before steaming the eggs. Careful, it is hot. Here you need to leave a gap, helps distribute the heat evenly. Steam on low heat. If you steam on high heat, the eggs will puff up and it will not be smooth. While steaming, prepare the prawns. Remove the vein. Season with salt and pepper. Now let's prepare the garlic oil. 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. 4 cloves garlic finely chopped. Fry on medium heat. Continuously fry, do not leave the stove. When it's turning slightly brown, transfer to a bowl. Don't wait until it turns golden brown as the residual heat will continue to cook the garlic. If it is overcooked, it will taste bitter. Once the eggs are cooked, add the prawns. Steam for another 2 to 3 minutes. Oh, remember to leave a gap here again.